Hey guys, so this Canva is this online editing software that you can use to design literally anything from logos, YouTube thumbnail, YouTube channel art, posters, presentations, Instagram posts, and lots more. And if you can't find what you want to design here, you can also come here and type in maybe, let me say, Facebook ads. You want to run ads on Facebook and need template. You can see this Facebook ads and click on it to bring in the right template or dimensions for it. So all you just need to do, just have to just select the template that you like, click on it, and it takes you right to this dashboard. Now this is literally where you're going to do most of your work, and everything you want to design is done here. It's very simple. You can see you can upload images, photos, elements, text, music, videos, background, and folders, and lots more. So let's check out background. Let's say I want to change the background of this front of this template to this background, and you can see the background just changed and everything. Let me say I want to add text. Let's click on text and just click on title and edit the text. I want to say my brand thing. You can see I've written it, and I can change the to 56. Now I can change to any amount I like. Maybe I like 50, and you can see this line, arrange it to the middle. As I did right now. You can see you can literally do anything here on Canva. So it's just an intro.